for you guys. Listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the guns, and I got two. So definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So listen, as far as my weekend, I need 15 offers for $5. So today we're just gonna knock out the 15 that we need. Now I did have the razors reset for me twice as of yesterday. I know the silk, the hydro silk, and the skintimate were on timers, and so I ran out and just did just those two deals yesterday. And then the extreme is still there, but I did do all three 2 more times for this haul. So that made it stupid easy to knock out the weekend because that's already like 12 offers, right? And so for me, as far as the $4 printable, it is still working with a regular like cashier. It doesn't need to be approved or anything like that. I did go to self-checkout and try it there. It's not working there. Some cashiers will push it through for you, but some won't. So it's just kind of up to whoever's there. But yeah, so that definitely is still working for me. I am still getting back the offers on Ibotta as well. With that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna speak on awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, so this first deal is on the Fresh Cravings South. So I'm not going to grab this today because I'm not going to go straight home after I record this video, but it's priced at $3.43. This offer popped back up on Social Nature. Getting that back makes it absolutely free. I was kind of hoping it would pop up on Ibotta. I know last time I was hoping it did, and it didn't. And so, so I was over here looking for the Dave's Killer bread bites. I know they don't carry it at this store. And the other store, I checked online, doesn't look like they carry the bites. They carry the bars. I've gotten those before from that particular store. But as far as here, they don't carry either. I'm going to share this deal. Saving with Save or Savannah posted this deal on Instagram. And so for this, you're going to buy a total of 2 of them. They are priced at $4.98. You'll pay $9.88. And then you'll get back $5.74 on Ibotta, and then you'll get back a total of $7.94 on Fetch. Makes it a $3.80 moneymaker. Was hoping I could find them. I did find a lot of stuff on this, bars, granola, snack bar aisle on clearance. So definitely check your area. They have the Kodak bars priced at $2.50, and we have an offer on Fetch Reward for 75 cents back. That would be a pretty decent deal. I did see some down here. These look so freaking good. I almost want to get them just to try them. But they're $1.75 for the strawberry ones, and then the chocolate ones are $2. Am I in your way? Am I in your way? Yeah, but a lot of this stuff, lots of clearance and rollback tags. So really quick, this deal here on the Bowley, I shared in my last video. I know some of you guys said you didn't have that offer on Fetch Reward. I actually had it on both my accounts. It's spend 3, get back 3, makes these 76 cents per case. Not a fan of the sparkling water though, not at all, but I'm gonna go ahead and drink them anyway since I have them. But if you have the offer, it's $3.76 and you'll get back $3 when you spend 3. So it makes it 76 cents for an 8 count, which is definitely what I did is I went ahead and grabbed the bubbly burst. I have tried these and I do like these better. They're more like the sparkling ices, and yeah. And so I grabbed it from Food for Less. They're only $1 there. If you grab them here, you buy 3 of them, that makes them 18 cents each. Of course, if Food for Less are a Kroger affiliate, they're 10 for 10 this week. So I grabbed 6 of them and got back 6, made them all free. All right, so our next deal is going to be on the Too Good yogurt. They're priced at $1.38. We have an offer on Ibotta for 50 cents back with a limit of 5, bringing them down to only 88 cents each. All right, so next up is the Kinder Light. This is a social nature offer. It's buy one, get one free. And so, yeah, I just thought by chance they would restock, but they have not on the oil warmers. I still have this offer. It did reset for me, both Walmart rewards as well as Ibotta. Makes it a 2-cent money maker limit of 3. We did the offer on the Glade warmer, on the single one last video. Offer on Ibotta makes it free. There's also an offer for the double pack here, priced at $3.28. getting back 250 on Ibotta makes that 78 cents. And then of course there's the Glade air fresheners priced at 238, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta makes those 88 cents each with a limit of 3. We have these Swagbucks on the older shield as priced at $4.47 for this. You're grabbing a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $8.94, getting back $4.46 on Ibotta, brings them down to $2.24 each. I was kind of low-key crossing my fingers that this would pop up on the sister apps. And so, hopefully it does. What exactly is going on here? Do you see what I see? Do you notice anything with these two, what seemingly looks like identical bottles? Do you notice anything? This one is 40 ounces. This one is 34 ounces. This one says 20 loads. Hey, what do you know? So does this one. What the heck? So, I talked about this deal like a video or two ago. I think I grabbed the 34. Hell, I know I grabbed the 34 ounce. Didn't work on Fetch Reward. Has to be the 40 ounce. So, they only have one 40 ounce. So, I'm going to go to Self Shotgun and scan this one twice. So, they're priced at $5.44. Gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. I'm going to use 2 of these pillies that I've had for a very long time. That's going to bring that total down to $6.88, getting back $2 for each on Ibotta, and then $3 on Fetch, which is $1.50 for each one, makes them both free plus 12 cents. But yeah, what the foolery is going on here? Like what the hell? Like, what the entire hell is going on here? Yeah. All right. Yeah, I know y'all probably tired of seeing me do this razor deal, but we doing it because it's a moneymaker. We doing it because it's helping us hit our bonus. And it's low out of pocket. So I'm grabbing the Shaq Extreme 3. It's priced at $6.78. Same old, $4 printable, coupons.com. You'll pay $2.78. Get back 3 on Ibotta. Makes it a 22-cent moneymaker. Also grabbing the women's, which I came yesterday. And grab the Skin Timid as well as the Hydro Silk. Again, same deal. Pay $2.27. Get back 3. Pay $2.78, get back 3. So I guess they moved. Oh, look at that $4 coupon. If it wasn't locked out, guess what? It'd be in my pocket. So listen, it's on the deodorant down here. I'm not gonna grab it, of course I'm not. These were just on clearance. They must have redid the packaging or something. They're priced at $9.97. I'm not gonna do this deal. But grabbing 1, getting back 4 on Ibotta, $3.50 on Fetch. It makes it $2.47, which is totally not a bad deal. I honestly would be curious to try the spray, but yeah, if that coupon wasn't behind glass, it'd be mine. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for today. This was super, super easy. Like, thank you, Shaq, for making this possible. Like, they are the official sponsor of this video. Coupons are still scanning perfectly fine with the regular cashier. When I ordered 2 sets because it's a Knox coupon, doesn't expire. And so I figured I would just, have some for next time. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy how those per sales, like you could clearly see that one is smaller than the other. I think that is just sick. Don't it just make you sick in your stomach when you think that, like, they are giving you less? You're getting 6 ounces less for the same price. And a lot of times they charge you more. It's crazy. I mean, I honestly think that we notice because we're in the stores all the time. I mean, there's probably a few people that are not like us, our community here, that do notice the changes and stuff, but bottles are getting smaller and smaller, and they are definitely charging you more at times, which is crazy. And I still got a ton of per sale in the garage. I probably got maybe a good 25, 30 bottles still. I'm the only one in the house that uses a per sale. So, I use a per sale. Joseph uses the Tide. I think my dad uses the Tide too. And I still got Tide from my CVS days. Like the big bottles. We probably still got like 6 to 8 of them left. So, yeah, I think it's sickening that the bottles are getting so damn small. Crazy. But listen, this worked out good. Super, super easy. My receipts for, Fetch Reward. I only have Fetch and Ibotta. Fetch for the per sale and the burst. Those receipts went through perfectly fine. Of course, Ibotta's receipts are going through perfectly fine. Like I said, I did the razors. I did 2 sets because it reset for me. Hydro Silk and the Skintimate, that one was on a timer yesterday, so I don't think that one's going to be resetting again. The Extreme 3, that one probably will, though, because it wasn't on a timer when I did it. So everything that you see here retails $97.58. We had $52 in coupons. Again, we had the $1 coupons on the purse sale, scanned perfectly fine. We had the razors also scanned perfectly fine. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $45.58. Our sales tax was $6.79. Getting back $45.50 from Ibotta and $9.06 from Fresh Reward, bringing that total back to $54.56, making this an $8.98 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. Other than that, if you made it to the end, we're going to do a little surprise giveaway with the per sale coupon since I do still have some left. We're going to do 2 winners. These don't expire till December of Focus Man next year. So we're gonna do Focus Man. So we're gonna do 2 winners, 2 coupons each. Just put per sale in the comments if you want the peely, and we'll do a giveaway in our next video. And so with that being said, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, night, wherever you're watching from, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.